Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So for today we will continue with our lesson 2.3 nomenclature of inorganic compound. So our objective today is to define cation and anion and to name cation, anion and swap. Okay, so the definition of cation and anion. So what is cation? So what is cation? Cation is positive net charge particles. So during chemical reaction, proton positively charged particle is remain unchanged. Thus the positive net charge is result from the loss of electron from the atom. So means that what happens, number of electron is less than number of proton in the atom. So it made the atom to become cation. Okay, how about anion? So anion is negatively charged particle. Okay, how anion is formed? Anion is formed when electron is added into the atom. So making the number of electron will be greater than proton. Okay, so that is the definition of cation and anion. So cation is positively charged particle, while anion is negatively charged particle. Okay, so how we name our cation and anion? Now let's see our exercise, lesson 3, subjective question number 3. Okay, subjective question number 3. So for example, let's say we have CaO. So CaO is salt that consists of calcium 2 plus ion, which is our cation, and O2 minus ion, which is our anion. So to name the salt, we need to know the name of cation and anion first. So Ca2 plus is calcium ion. O2 minus is oxide ion. So name of the salt is calcium oxide. Okay, now let's see the second example. Second example is Na2SO4. So Na2SO4 is consists of Na plus ion and SO4 2 minus ion. Okay, so the Na2 plus Na plus ion is sodium ion, and SO4 2 minus ion is sulfate ion. So the name of this salt is, we combine these two names, okay, combine together, so you will get sodium sulfate. Okay, sodium sulfate. Okay, how about the third example? KClO4 ion. KClO4. So what is the name of this salt? Okay, so first we need to divide it into cation and anion. So the cation is So cation is K plus and ClO4 minus ion. So K plus is potassium ion and ClO4 minus is chlorate ion. So the name of this salt is potassium chlorate. Okay. So for the next example is FeNO3 ion, NO3 2. Okay, so for this one we divide it into cation and anion. So Fe, the charge is 2, so Fe2 plus and NO3 minus. So Fe2 plus name is iron 2 ion and nitrate ion. So name of this salt is iron 2 nitrate. Make sure there is no space between iron and 2 Roman here. There is no space between iron and 2 Roman here. It should be rapat, mesti rapat. So iron 2 nitrate. Okay, next is Ag2SO4. So Ag2SO4 is consists of Ag plus ion and SO4 2 minus ion. So Ag plus is silver ion and sulfate ion. So name of this salt is silver sulfate. Okay. So next, fifth example, when we have Li2O. Okay, how to name Li2O? The same as earlier, we divide it into cation, Li plus, and O2 minus. So Li plus is lithium ion and oxide ion. So name of this salt is lithium oxide. Okay, next, when we have FeCl3. So FeCl3 is consists of Fe3 plus and Cl minus. So Fe3 plus iron 3. So remember, there is no space between iron and 3 here. There is no space. So iron 3 ion and chloride ion. So name of this salt is iron 3 chloride. Okay, last example is, wait, okay, last example is KMnO4, which is consists of K plus ion and MnO4 minus ion. So K plus is potassium ion and MnO4 minus is permanganate ion. So name of this salt is potassium permanganate. Okay, that is how we name the cation and anion. So that's all for today. So what we have learned is, first is to define cation and anion. So I repeat once again, cation is a positively charged particle, while anion is negatively charged particle. And how to name the cation and anion and salt. To name the salt, we need to divide it into cation and anion first, and then we combine the name of cation and anion to get the name of the salt. So that's all for today. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. But don't forget, before that, I want to give you a homework. Okay, for homework today. Okay, homework today. Please complete the objective question. Second, complete the subjective question. Question 1. Question 2. Question 3 we have discussed before. Question 4. And question 5. So make sure you upload your answer. Upload your PDF answer in Google Classroom before our class is end. Okay, that's all for today. Assalamualaikum.